Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you may be on the radio, guys. It's Al, and today we're going to be looking at a couple of radios. As you can see from the radio, it's pretty dead again. There's a bit of stuff in the background. Got a little bit of noise going on here. I don't know what this is. It's like an electrical thing. I really don't know what that is, but I get that a bit when there's sunspot activity. Anyway, yeah guys, it's something I've been meaning to do for a while. As you can see, band's dead, but I want to check out the Alinco and the Stryker against each other. So what I'm going to do, we're going to take them both out in the car. I've got a little switcher, and we're going to check them out, check the audio out, and see how they fare against each other. So we'll be back in a bit. Hello CQ, hello CQ, this is 26 Division 26 Tango Charlie 101 looking for DX, and we're standing by. Please QRZ.
This is 23 Romeo Charlie 26 Tango Charlie 101. Good evening to you, sir.
101. Very good copy. It's North Georgia, USA. The name is Ray. Romeo Alpha Yankee, like the sun ray. And you got the call already, correct. 077. We're in North Georgia.
So yeah guys, we're going to take a little drive out this afternoon, not far, just going to go up the 45, going to use this Stereo 4000 instead of a little bit of activity. Going to set up the Stereo 4000 just on the mag mount, just going to call into home, hopefully going to get Debs to try and record, hopefully straight from the radio, but I'm not sure if that's going to work or not, because I want to get the audio crack on. But basically we've got the Alinco DX-70, great little radio, great audio on it, and the Stryker as well, the 955, again great audio on it, can't complain about it at all, fantastic. Love the Alinco, love the Stryker. I've been wanting to try this for a while just to see which one has the best audio. Now they're probably very good audio in both ways, but the thing is, you've got a great antenna, you set your antenna up, you've got great radio, and your audio's rubbish. You always want the best audio you can get or have when you're maybe in a pile-up, or you know you're trying to call. You've got that crisp clear audio. Both these radios do that, and I'm happy with both of them very much. So yeah, we're going to get up to my little perch. Probably a short video today, but hopefully be going live next weekend. Henry's got to go in for his little sort of operation on Thursday. Hopefully that will be all right. A bit worried about it, but yeah, I'll let you all know. So hopefully if everything's good, we'll probably go live next Friday. Might also put a video out next Friday as well. So yeah, we'll see. Anyway, let's and leave your comments in the comment section, guys. Let me know what you think is the best radio. Hopefully we can do this by capturing the audio straight from the radio, but I'm not sure. If not, I'll try and catch it from the computer. If not, it will just have to be coming through the phone. So we'll get to the little spot I'm going to, and we'll see you in a bit. So yeah guys, we're just at a little spot, bit noisy here, and we're actually on the plateau. Not really like the main plateau, the main part where I go, but I'll just, if I spin the camera around, if you just bear with me, I'll just spin the camera around and I'll show you what we're looking at from here. So this is the A45, and you can't really tell, but that's going down into Coventry. So down that way is Coventry, guys. Now, if we just come over to the other side of the road, and that way is down into Birmingham. Oh, the police. Wasn't me, Gov. I didn't do anything. So yeah, so you can't really see. I'll try and zoom in, but down there is Birmingham. And as you can see, one of the reasons I can't hear Birmingham is because this is a high spot. You can't really see Coventry in that direction, but yeah, Coventry's down there. So basically, it starts going down here, down into Birmingham, and this is what's called the plateau, but this is only the start of it. But there you go, I just thought I'd show you that, guys, and the reason that I can't hear Birmingham, because Coventry's down that way, and then Birmingham's down that way. It doesn't look like much of a hill, but believe me, you guys, it is. I don't know what height I am here, but I will put it. I will put it up. There's a car coming. I'm going to get knocked over. There's a trusty van. And yeah, we'll just set up the radios in the van and then we'll speak to Debs. But yeah, we're just using the Stereo 4000. Doesn't get looking, but the thing is with the Stereo 4000, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Although I've got a little bit of a high SWR for some reason at the moment. I'm about 1.6, 1.7, but there's the Stereo 4000, so I don't have to say we're up. We're on the van, but I'm just going to have to check a few things before we do this little experiment and see which radio sounds the best. Hello, so right, we're on the Stryker. Debs, how you got me?
Yep, so clear signal 9.
Clear signal 9, right, okay, I'm going to do a little bit to camera. I'm going to go 26, Tango Charlie 101, 26, Tango Charlie 101, static mobile just outside of Coventry, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How's that sound, Deb?
Yep, sounding good and clear.
Yeah, and what you got me on about, signal 9?
Yep, bang on, signal 9.
Okay, any more than that, or just, am I going in red? What about when I whistle? I've got a SWR of about 1.5 for some reason, I don't know why, so, yeah, hello, radio, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep, still a 9.
Okay, we're not even pushing it to the red. Okay, no worries. Okay, well, I'm just going to try the Alinco. So this is the Stryker 955, the Stryker 955 with the Roger bleep on. I'll just turn the Roger bleep off. I'll try to do some dead Z in with some echo. How's that, Deb? Is that any echo on?
Go again.
Has that got echo on?
Yeah, it has.
Is it really, really bad?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can get it to do something else. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2. How's now? Hold on. Tell me what's that like? Does that work on sideband, that little bit of echo?
Oh, it works all right. It's super annoying.
Oh, is it? Even now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll turn it off. Some people do use echo on these Strykers, but no, not for me. Right, okay, well that's the Stryker 955, and we're going to try the Alinco. Right, I'm going to jump onto the Alinco, keep recording, bam.
Okay.
Do you copy me, please? My name Nicolas Sud de France, name Avignon.
Hold on, hello. Right, that's how copy.
Yep, signal 9 again.
Signal 9. Okay, so we're just on the Alinco DX-70 now, so I'll just put a quick call into home. 26 Tango Charlie 101, 26 Tango Charlie 101. And this is the Alinco DX-70, the Alinco DX-70. And doing about 100 watts out of both the radios, and let's see what Deb thinks. What do you think, Deb?
Yep, I think that this one is slightly warmer and richer sound, but only ever so slightly.
Okay, is there much difference, like, does one sound a bit more, I don't know, digital? Does one sound like it's more digital sort of audio, or is it both pretty much the same? I'd be interested to find out.
Like I said, to my ears, the difference is negligible, but yeah, this one's a bit warmer.
This one's a bit warmer. Okay, no problem. All right then, Deb, thanks for that. I'm going to head off home. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All absolutely fantastic for doing that for me. Thank you very much. But there we go. All right, cheers, Deb. I'll see you in about 5.
Okie dokie.
I'll just see if I've got a breaker on the side there. We've got any breakers trying to get in on 315? No. Hello. Any sides? Any breakers? Any activity on the 27315?
Shall I stop recording?
Yeah, keep it going, keep it going. Give it another 5 minutes, because I'm sure I heard someone trying to break in. I've got no noise up here at all. Okay, anybody out there? Anybody out there? Got a copy on 26 Tango Charlie 101.
No, nothing. Like I said earlier, guys, the band's pretty dead today. But there you go. Just thought we'd give them a go out. And now Debs don't seem to think there's much difference between them. I love them both. I love both radios. And yeah, it's nice to give the Alinco a little bit of a run out, to be honest, because it hasn't had a run out for a while. But I had to re-record all this because I wasn't recording on this phone. It's an absolute nightmare, guys. But there you go. Anyway, don't forget, live stream next week. Let me know in your comments what you think's got the better sound. I'm going to use both of them every now and then, you know, swap and change. The Stryker's my go-to at the moment, but we'll see. But yeah, so live stream next week, fingers crossed that Henry's all right, and maybe another video next week as well. Keep liking, subscribing, guys. I want to see how well they sound to each other. I've always got great reports on the Alinco, always get good reports on the Stryker. I would say the Stryker wins it on receive, though. I would definitely say the Stryker wins it on receive. So yeah, but yeah, not sure. But I do put them through this speaker up here, so I do have the external speaker on the go. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed that little video. Just a small video today. Probably going to get out at the weekend. This weekend coming, we'll see. I know there's the Hamfest up in Telford, but I don't think we're going to be getting to that this year, guys, I'm afraid. We're trying to save up for my holiday and everything and have some money spare, so that's what we're trying to do at the moment, and we've got to spend for Henry, so never mind. Anyway, like I say, hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back next week with some more. Don't know what the conditions at the moment, up and down like a yo-yo, but we're definitely back next week, either with another video and a live stream, or a live stream and no video. But anyway, I'm doing it again. I'm gassing on. I'll shut up, get home, get something to eat because I'm starving, and we'll catch you very soon, guys. All the best. Ciao, ciao for now.